Hello traders, Caroline Izan here, graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, November 1st of 2011 and we are looking at the Q's daily chart. Hope you all had a wonderful trading day and you're all ready to do some technical analysis here with me. So let's take a look at our Q's chart and let's analyze it here a little bit. So check this out. What a beautiful test of that 200-day moving average here again today. We've tested it twice already. Boom, here we closed above it, couldn't sustain that low, closed above it, went higher, pulled back down again, tested it here the second time, bounced off of it, made a new high, and then pulled back down again big time, breaking outside of that little uptrend that we have here showing between these two black trend lines, the upper area of resistance here and the lower area of support right here. So we are way outside of that low uptrend right here. We are breaking through that low area of support, and then actually we opened really low. We just gapped down this morning into a significant area of support, which was right here at the 200-day moving average, which you see here in blue, and we closed the day slightly above it. So that's what it is, but don't really pay attention to the upper wick in here, the upper shadow, because it's like after hours trading, so that's why it's showing here on this chart, but it does not count as much, so don't pay as close attention to it as you should. So that's what it is. We are forming a little doji right here. That's what I call it. Forming a little doji right here. We're closing slightly above the 200-day moving average. So pay really close attention to that upper area of resistance right now. Here, the 56.90 mark, and then also that next area of resistance up here, the 58.20 mark. So those two are really important, as well as 57.82, which is the 8 moving average right here in green. And the 8 moving average, by the way, is starting to turn south. So that's what it looks to me. So keep your eye on it to make sure that it's going in the right direction. So that is what's happened here today. And check this out. Look at the MACD. The MACD is still traveling south. It's really close to the zero line. It's slightly above it right now, getting ready to cross over to the bearish side of trade. So the bears are right below the zero line. So pay close attention to the MACD, and also pay close attention to your chart, because a chart is a chart. It will tell you the right story. So that's what you need to pay really close attention to, and then look for confirmation with the MACD. And check this out. We are bouncing off of that 200-day moving average, actually closing slightly above it on pretty high volume. So keep that in mind as well. We like to see spikes in volume, and that's what we've had here today. So that is it. And the other thing that I want you to pay close attention to is the lower area support. If we ever go below the 200-day moving average, right here, the 55.40 mark, and then the ones slightly below it, which is the 50-day moving average, which you see here in really dark red, and then the next one down below, 54.63, and then the big one down here at about 53.77. So here you have it all. Hope it helps you, and safe trading to all of you tomorrow.